Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Katar Pro wireless mouse via Bluetooth. First, make sure your mouse has enough power for a stable connection. Flip the power switch on the bottom of the mouse to the on position. Then, find the small Bluetooth pairing button, usually near the power switch. This button initiates the pairing process, making your mouse discoverable to other devices. To put your Katar Pro wireless into pairing mode, press and hold the Bluetooth button for about 3 seconds. You'll notice the LED indicator light on the mouse will start flashing quickly. This rapid flashing is your signal that the mouse is now actively searching for a device to connect with. It's ready to be discovered by your computer or other Bluetooth-enabled device. Now, on your computer or other device, open the Bluetooth settings. Look for an option to add a device or scan for new devices. Once the scan is complete, you should see Katar Pro Wireless appear in the list of available devices. Click on it to initiate the connection. Your device will then attempt to establish a secure link with the mouse. After selecting the mouse, your device might ask you to confirm the pairing. Once confirmed, the LED indicator on your Katar Pro wireless mouse will stop flashing and display a solid light. This solid light means the connection is successful and stable. Congratulations! Your mouse is now fully connected and ready for you to start using it wirelessly with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.